watching Halla Bol, our English news bulletin at this moment, and this is Rashmi here with you. Before going to the details, let's have a look at the headlines. Piyush Kanti Bishwa's comment on winning 2023 elections in Tripura turned out to be a laughingstock for the people. Leader of opposition West Bengal Legislative Assembly Abdul Mannan criticized the role of government amidst COVID-19 pandemic. NASA Act to be imposed on criminals Krishna Kamal Lashkar, Sujit Shutrudhar and Bishwajit Biswas, according to information from the police department. Asked to form an inquiry committee for 10,323 teachers recruitment case by Tripura Rajya Shikshak Sangha. Now the news in details, where acting Pradesh Congress President Piyush Kanti Bishwas could not win a Panchayat election event. He claimed of winning 2023 elections on behalf of the Tripura Pradesh Congress. This triggered as a laughingstock for the people of the state as well as the other political parties. According to acting Pradesh Congress President Piyush Kanti Bishwas, Tripura Congress is full-fledgedly ready for 2023 elections. Anytime if the elections are conducted, Congress will secure good results, claimed acting President Piyush Kanti Bishwas while distributing relief among the people of Teliamura. Pradesh Congress acting President Piyush Kanti Bishwas made the similar comments. Also, he added maintaining proper distance with prime opposition parties CPIM and BJP. He will contest the upcoming elections. He added Congress party is established in the state at a firm position like the ruling BJP party in the state. Here the question arises, the present scenario that the common people are withstanding related to the position of Congress in the state. Will the comment of Pradesh Congress acting President Piyush Kanti Bishwas be fruitful? Citing few relevant information to counter the fact, Halla Bol would like to recall that when vote bank of Congress was 48%, Piyush Kanti Bishwas stood in the parliament elections and lost his security deposit. And now if acting Pradesh Congress President claims that Congress will fix roots in the soil of Tripura, then under whose leadership will it be accomplished? Such comment of acting President Piyush Kanti Bishwas has turned out to be a laughingstock for the people of the state along with other opposition political parties, where we can see that none of the experienced members of the party are involved with the decision-making process of the Congress party under acting President Piyush Kanti Bishwas, and he is solely running the party as a part-time leader as his personal property with a mere group of lawyers in the state. This comment of acting president seems to be a nightmare for the party. Here trolling is being done in the social media related to his comment of acting president Piyush Kanti Bishwas. Here it is to be noted that when vote bank of Congress was 48%, that time Piyush Kanti Bishwas lost in the parliament elections, and now when it is only 2%, what is the probability of winning that the people can hardly imagine. A reason behind his defeat is Piyush Kanti Bishwas' low profession, because of the people are well aware of the fact how he cheated on them and looted their money, and following this people have lost their trust on. Here the question arises where acting Pradesh Congress President Piyush Kanti Bishwas can't win the parliament elections for himself and could not save his security deposit, where acting Pradesh Congress President Piyush Kanti Bishwas could not win a Panchayat election event. He claimed on winning 2023 elections on behalf of the Tripura Pradesh Congress, which has led to a laughingstock among the people of the state as well as the members of the political parties. Bureau Report, Halla Bol. India's Supreme Court showed severe dissatisfaction towards the role of government in controlling the coronavirus pandemic in the state as well as the centre. Congress leader and leader of opposition West Bengal Legislative Assembly Abdul Mannan criticized the West Bengal government and the ruling BJP government in the centre. India's Supreme Court showed severe dissatisfaction towards the role of BJP government in the country under the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi in controlling the spread of coronavirus disease or COVID-19 pandemic. Following this, the Supreme Court issued notice to West Bengal along with 4 other states. On this issue, Congress leader Abdul Mannan, leader of opposition West Bengal Legislative Assembly, said, "We have continuously tried to alert the ruling government in the country relating to the increasing threats of COVID-19 pandemic. He added they have alerted the Trinamool government in the state as well as BJP in the center, urging them to keep politics aside and think about the betterment of the people in this crucial time. He condemned the act of Narendra Modi where he asked the people to play bells and drums for which groups of people came on roads. He added, as they are a part of opposition party, BJP government under Prime Minister Narendra Modi did not give any ear on their suggestions. The ruling government rather celebrated their 48th establishment day in the name of bursting crackers and lighting candles by the people of the country amidst crucial time of pandemic.
রোগের মোকাবেলা করতে কেন্দ্র এবং রাজ্য সরকার যেভাবে গড়িমসি করেছেন, আমরা বিরোধী দল বারবার সরকারের দৃষ্টি আকর্ষণ করেছি। আমরা কোনো রাজনৈতিক সংকীর্ণতার মধ্যে না থেকে সরকারকে সম্পূর্ণভাবে সহযোগিতা করে মানুষের স্বার্থে এগিয়ে গেছি। কিন্তু দুর্ভাগ্যের বিষয় কি কেন্দ্রীয় সরকার কি রাজ্য সরকার আমাদের গঠনমূলক উপদেশকেও প্রস্তাবগুলোকেও ফুৎকারে উড়িয়ে দিয়েছেন। কাঁসর ঘণ্টা বাজিয়ে জনতা কারফিউর সমাপ্তি ঘোষণা করার জন্য মানুষকে রাস্তায় নামিয়ে দিলেন, মিছিল করিয়ে দিলেন, কাঁসর ঘণ্টা বাজাতে বললেন মাননীয় প্রধানমন্ত্রী। তার দলের 40 বছর পূর্তি অনুষ্ঠান পালন করলেন মারণ রোগের মোকাবিলা করার নাম করে আতশবাজির উৎসব পালন করে। আমাদের রাজ্যের মুখ্যমন্ত্রী কোথাও পেছিয়ে নেই, তিনি বাজারে গিয়ে দাগ কেটে জনগণকে নির্দেশ দিলেন কে কোথায় দাঁড়িয়ে বাজার করবেন, কেনাকাটা করবেন। তিনি মানুষকে উপদেশ দিলেন যে করোনাকে পাসওয়ার্ড হিসাবে ব্যবহার করে শুয়ে থাকতে। আজকে ওদের এই কার্যকলাপ সারা পৃথিবীর কাছে, বিশ্বের মানুষের কাছে আমাদের উপহাসের পাত্র করে তুলে দিল। ভারতবাসী হিসাবে লজ্জায় মাথা হেঁট হয়ে যায়।
In the context of West Bengal, Congress leader Abdul Mannan said Mamata Banerjee, CM of West Bengal, stood in the market and directed the shopkeepers from where they should sell their items on Friday. Also directed them to use Corona as their side pillow. West Bengal's chief minister made herself a matter of laughing stock, keeping aside the members of her own party along with ignoring suggestions of opposition party. Whereas the notice of Supreme Court has established the truth behind the suggestions that the opposition Congress party has been urging the government of state and center from long time. Now it is the time to see what people has to say on the governance of the ruling party. Bureau report, Halabol. Nothing happens by chance. There is a saying that karma hits you back. Similar is the fate of terrorist Krishna Kamal Lashkar and his mates Shujit Sutradhar and Bishwajit Bishwas. We have a saying, nothing happens by chance or by fate. We create our own fate by our own actions, and that is karma. Similar condition is going to happen with terrorist Krishna Kamal Lashkar. According to information from the police department, Krishna Kamal Lashkar is associated with serious crimes like illegal arms possession, extortion, rape, molestation and illegal dealer of lands. Along with Krishna Kamal Lashkar, National Security Act is going to be imposed on Bishwajit Bishwas and Shujit Sutradhar. According to information from the police department, it could be known that complaint of molestation had been registered against Krishna Kamal Lashkar by wife of one TSR, Rakhi Rudrapal of Lalmatia area. Also, Krishna Kamal along with Shujit Sutradhar and Bishwajit Bishwas tried to murder her. Following this, under tremendous pressure, the lady Rakhi Rudrapal left her residence and shifted from the area. The case is still not solved. Mahila Commission is also investigating the case. Apart from the ruling party, Vice President Rekha Rani registered complaint at Bochongnagar Police Station against Krishna Kamal Lashkar and his mates, Shujit Sutradhar and Bishwajit Bishwas for threatening her with pistol and demanding 5 lakh rupees. Administration is still investigating the matter. Also, Krishna Kamal Lashkar and his mates accused of looting one house at Nuagaon and beating up a child. This complaint registered against him is also under trial. He is also accused of murder case of Dulal Devnath at Bonikochomoni area. But now, this is the time for him to go to jail. He can't escape this time in any means. The higher officials of police department came to know the fact how OC Shukanto Sen Chaudhary weakened his case and prepared his bail with with huge amount of money. Following this, OC Shukanto Sen Chaudhary is also going to face strong punishment. Every day, Krishna Kamal Lashkar's relative Pritam Lashkar, Riya Lashkar are seen attending houses of BJP leaders to save him from punishment. But they strictly answered no to their any requests. Moreover, he is also nothing in the BJP party. It could be known that secret group of police is making NASA file ready and Krishna Kamal Lashkar will be strictly punished. Bureau report, Halabol. Tripura Rajya Shikkok Sangha did a press meet on Friday thanking the ruling government in the state, asked to form a committee for inquiring the recruitment of 10,323 teachers group. Tripura Rajya Shikkok Sangha, a departmental unit of Tripura Rajya Karmachari Sangha, amidst a press meet on Friday thanked the ruling BJP government in the state to form a committee for inquiring the recruitment of the 10,323 terminated teachers group and refraining the teachers from taking private tuitions. They also thanked the government on the eve of opening 20 new English medium schools in the state. They also conveyed their regards to the ruling government for introducing an uniform syllabus for the students, similarizing with the whole country.
প্রক্রিয়া তদন্তে এক সদস্য কমিশন গঠন করার যে সিদ্ধান্ত নিয়েছেন বর্তমান সরকার এবং শিক্ষকদের বর্তমানে প্রাইভেট টিউশন বন্ধ করার যে উদ্যোগ নিয়েছেন তার জন্য প্রথমে আমি আমার শিক্ষক সংঘের পক্ষ থেকে বর্তমান ত্রিপুরা রাজ্য সরকারকে রাষ্ট্রবাদী সরকারকে আন্তরিক অভিনন্দন এবং ধন্যবাদ জ্ঞাপন করছি।
The teachers organization believes that the 10,323 teachers did not have any fault of their own, but they got terminated on court's order. But the organization promised to solve the matter and find out the actual guilty behind the fate of the 10,323 terminated teachers. According to the Education Department circular and Supreme Court's order, the teachers involved in teaching in government and private schools are earning huge amount of money through private tuitions. So the teachers organization thanked the administration for stopping such activity as it would generate employment for the unemployed teaching staffs. General Secretary of the organization also thanked the government for introducing an uniform syllabus in the state. Bureau report, Halabol. Along with 6 charter point demands, representative unit of Tripura Auto Rickshaw Workers Union gave deputation to the Commissioner of Joint Transport. Along with 6 charter point demands, Friday, one representative unit of Tripura Auto Rickshaw Workers Union gave deputation to the Commissioner of Office of Joint Transport. Amidst the 6 charter point demands, primarily the representative unit demanded free 10 kg rice till next 6 months to each family of auto rickshaw worker, along with rupees 7,500 cash to each family's account for next 6 months. They also demanded the administration should decrease the premium of policies and tax of autos.
যে কোভিড-19 ভাইরাসের কারণে যে লকডাউন, এই লকডাউনে সবচেয়ে ক্ষতিগ্রস্ত হচ্ছে আমাদের এই পরিবহন সেক্টর, বিশেষ করে যারা গাড়ি চালায়, অটো শ্রমিক, ট্রাক শ্রমিক, ঠেলা শ্রমিক। এই অটো শ্রমিকদের বিভিন্ন স্বার্থ সংশ্লিষ্ট বিষয় নিয়ে আমরা আজকে এই আধিকারিকের কাছে গিয়েছিলাম। লকডাউনের ফলে তাদের রুটি রোজগার প্রায় বন্ধ, রুজি রোজগার। এই জায়গায় দাঁড়িয়ে আমরা দাবি করেছি যে রাজ্যের সব রেজিস্ট্রিকৃত অটো শ্রমিক যারা আছে তাদেরকে মাসে 7,500 টাকা তাদের অ্যাকাউন্টে যাতে সরকারি তরফে থেকে দেওয়া হয়।
Along with other demands, the representative unit of Tripura Auto Rickshaw Workers Union also demanded the government should forbid the loan amounts for this crucial period of time and take a strict step on rising prices of petrol and diesel. Bureau report, Halabol. Well, that's all from our English desk at this moment. For more news and updates, stay tuned to Halabol.